In this video, we'll be telling about how to merge so many PDF files into one file. For this, we'll be using our smartphone. If you want, you can use laptop also. And we'll not be installing any third-party application. We'll be using browser. For this, first what we need to do is open any browser. After opening browser, search for I love PDF. I love PDF. When you search for I love PDF, you can see a result like this. Click on this result. You can see an option merge PDF. Click on this merge PDF. When you click on that, you will reach a new page. Here you can see select PDF file option. Click on this select PDF. Now you will reach your gallery. Now from gallery, select any one of the PDF file which you want to merge. For example, I am selecting this file. After that, to add more files, here you can see plus button. Click on this plus button. Again you will reach your gallery. Now select the second file. For example, I am selecting this file. To add more files, again here you can see plus button. Click on this plus button. From here you can add more files. For example, I have added 4 files. If you want to rearrange this, you can do that also. Just click on that PDF file and you can move up or down. After arranging PDF file, down here you can see merge PDF file option. Click on this merge PDF. Now within few seconds you will reach a new page like this. Here you can see download merged PDF. Click on this download merged PDF. After that, down here you can see download option. Click on this download option. Now that file will be downloaded. So this is the downloaded file. You can see 4 pages. And important thing is that there is no watermark of this website. So you can use this PDF file wherever you want. So this way you can merge PDF file. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.